You want organization? Are you tired of fumbling through all your drawers and trying to get the sockets that you need? Well, this video is for you. Come on in, let's check out these Ernst Socket Bosses so we can get our drawers organized. Y'all come on in. So, we're going to look at these today, and we're also going to show what our drawers look like before and after. We're going to get these things all set up and use them. But first of all, let's talk about them a little bit. So, as you see up here, they're $23.70 each. I wanted the blue ones. They were out of stock at the time. They're back in stock on Amazon. They have a lifetime warranty, made in America. Now, this right here, it's a 2-rail Socket Boss, 18-inch high vis. Let's see how many, I don't know how many sockets hold. I think it's like 30 or something like that.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
So that's 34. 34 sockets on this right here. Y'all come on with me. Let's go over here and check out these drawers. Before we get too far into the video, I want to let y'all know that we'll be giving away this socket set once we hit 3,000 subscribers. That's right, 3,000 subscribers. As soon as we hit that number, I'll make a video about it and I'll tell you how to enter into this. But right now, understand you'll have to be subscribed. Check it out. It's a very nice set. Don't miss out. So as you can see, we've got a bit of a mess. It is not organized in any way, shape, or form. Well, maybe a little bit. There's some stuff here and there. It just doesn't look good. Now, this side isn't going to get fixed today. The 3/8 part isn't going to get fixed. Let's see what we can do about the 1/2-inch side. So here we go. This is everything that was in there before. So the 1/2-inch side is a whole lot better organized than it was before. Everything in that back is stuff I don't use as much. There is some mix and match stuff in here. Well, there's a lot of mix and match stuff. This right here is all SK. Some of this is standard SK, snap-on, but I've got a few fillers in here like this one and this one. And of course these two on the end. The rest are snap-on. Maybe I'll look and see how much those two smaller sockets would cost me. Probably way too much. But here's all this. Looks a lot better. This is the only 1/2 inch I didn't decide to put on something that's on a Vim rail. Now here's my 3/8. I actually got a little extra room for 3/8. This was over on the other side. That was over on the other side. And I think one of these was over on the other side. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I hope you like the Ernst Socket Boss set. You can buy pieces of that other places. Tecton sells it. Who else? Man, there's other places that sell it and put their name on it, but it's made by Ernst, okay? So, thank y'all. Y'all take care of each other and have a blessed week.